Shares of Google parent company Alphabet, they are down today. That's after one analyst shared some concerns over the tech giant. Melius analyst Ben Reitzes highlighting that Alphabet's missteps in AI may fuel the perception that Google is an unreliable source for artificial intelligence. The analyst reiterated his hold rating on that company. So this was interesting, an interesting note, Julie, in that yes, he did reiterate the hold. Target is 164, but this was a pretty tough note. And bottom line, yes, he says it has a moat in search, but this space is about to be disrupted, he says other Mag 7 companies, frankly, are outflanking them in margin optimization, in growth, in recurring revenues. Talks about how the company last week released that AI image generator called Text Image AI, which was frankly a debacle, made headlines for all the wrong reasons, and says if this fuels the perception that in fact the company is an unreliable source for AI, that is understandably bad for business.
Yeah, his note on this is called cheap for a reason.
Yeah.
And he has this hold rating on the stock. It's also interesting because he suggests alternatives to Google search. He encourages people to play with Perplexity AI's solution. He says in the note that is a private company, Perplexity AI here. And he also talks about OpenAI running a new search product. Perplexity does run on the OpenAI platform. You have to wonder, habit is a powerful force. And so you do wonder, it seems like it would take a lot for people to stop using Google. But, this is an interesting question about this sort of reliability, because Google has worked in part because of its reliability in search.
Yeah, I think it speaks to kind of this broader concern you're hearing with Alphabet, though, among kind of analysts, investors, that, then they're kind of positioned in AI and they have the data. They've got some of the smartest engineers on the planet. They certainly have a mountain of cash, but this perception that they're not moving as fast as maybe some of their peers.